What's going on, everybody? Peace, love, and light. I wasn't gonna make this video, but Spirit told me to. I just wanted to show that I'm about to make deli slice meats out of mushrooms, out of portobello mushrooms. So here is the plate. We've sliced them. And if you follow me to the kitchen, well, we're in the kitchen. If you follow me to the fridge, I'll show you what the mushroom looks like before. And I will make another video. I just wanted to do this really quickly because I'm so excited. It's my first time. So you can see it in there. It's one of those, you see, portobello mushroom. So literally peel like you would an orange or a banana. You peel off the skin, slice them thin, put it horizontally after you peel it down, and you slice them thin. You need like a razor sharp knife. I personally had this baby, so that's what we used. And then the pieces kind of end up looking like light and dark meats of turkey. And right now, you can see it's not really like, it did crack. So they'll be foldable, malleable, pliable, if that's the word. So yes, we're gonna drop our first into our hot water, or a couple of them actually. And I seasoned my water. We used our spring water. I seasoned the broth with onion powder, smoked sea salt, liquid smoke, because I kind of want like smoky meat, you know. A little bit of agave for like a sweet smoky kind of taste, like a barbecue mesquite, if you will. And then regular sea salt. So sea salt, smoked sea salt, liquid smoke, and onion powder is what I seasoned the water with. And I'm just placing them in there. Gonna let them get some of that water and then flip them. This isn't gonna take a long time, so I'll show you all the finished product. Alright, family, so as you can see here, they've been in the water for maybe about 3 to 5 minutes. And you can see the pliability. It's able to fold, so that's what we're kind of going for. You want to be able to fold it like deli meat, like you buy a pack of, I don't know, don't endorse nobody, a pack of MPire Farms or whomever. You want your meat, your so-called meat, to fold like that. So these look pretty good to me. I'm gonna go ahead and take these babies out. Yeah, let's go ahead and take them out. Alright, family, so really quick, here is a before, here is an after. We're going to try a small piece and continue to boil the rest. I'm going to try the smallest piece. Oh my god. Y'all won't even be able to tell the difference. Oh my goodness. I'm actually eat these as a snack. This is fire. Deli style meat, alkaline vegan style. Portobello mushroom come through. Malaysia out.